Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file, and they're trying to rotate this star or this shape of Texas on all 5 points. But when they go to the center of the star, or where the indexing lines are, and they go to 72 degrees, it's not where it should be because the star is not in the center of the page. As far as Corel is concerned, it is. So what we need to do is take this star, and this is a problem I've done a couple different times, but this is a little bit different with the rotation. We're going to make it into a 6-sided star and then hit P and watch it move. Now that's in the center. Now we can change it back to a 5-sided star, and our indexing lines will be right. So we're going to hit P on that, holding down the control button and put it about where we want it. Control D and make a duplicate of that Texas, and then let's move the rotation to the center. Always double check, make sure it's that, and then rotate it 72 degrees. And you can see now it's in the center. So we need to go 144. Control D, Control D. Now, that's just part of their problem. Now, if they want all the shapes of Texas perpendicular or standing up like the state is, probably the easiest way to do it is set your nudge factor on like 2 inches. And if you look at this shape, it's rotated 72 degrees. And that's because it's 72 degrees off center. So we need to rotate it off its own center. And if we take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in and then nudge it over, we get a whole new object. Now we can delete that one. We can left click fill, right click outline, nudge it back over that 2 inches and rotate this guy 360 minus 72 degrees. And now it's correct. So this is the same thing. Just rotate that. Fill it up with the fill tool, left click, right click. All we're doing is making a new Texas where this one is rotated. Come on, pick tool. Where this one is rotated 288 degrees, just delete it, nudge this one back, and rotate it. I don't know if 288 degrees is going to work. That's just, well, we really just need to rotate it 72 degrees in the forward position. Now, it's not perfectly, I don't think. The Texas is touching more here than here. So you can eyeball it, or I'm going to make a second video on how you could get this even more precise. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for part 2.